Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth, cause I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you.
So, hey guys! Kanina pa ako nakauwi ng bahay. Pero ngayon lang din ako nakapag-video because when I got home, sobrang gutom na gutom ako. And then, I took a 2-hour nap. So, kakagising ko lang din. Nagsing ako kasi may dumating akong parcel, which is eto. Ayan. So, i-unbox natin siya mamaya. Yeah, so earlier, nakita nyo na pumunta ako ng school because we had an orientation for our hospital duty in ISAV. So, wala pang specific date kung kailan kami magkakaroon ng duty sa ISAV. But, sabi ng prof namin, ng dean namin is that comment section is dun na kami ilalagay sa ISAV. Which is okay lang naman din. Medyo malapit lang siya. It's bearable. It's commutable. Hindi katulad nung mga dati kong duty, which is nasa Marikina or Antipolo. Di ko nag-video ako nun nung nag-Marikina kami. Pero nung Antipolo hindi. And then yung Marikina namin, tinamad na ako i-edit. And then sobrang napuno na yung storage ng phone ko. Kaya hindi ko na siya, binura ko na siya. Trinay ko siyang i-save sa Google Drive ko. I-check ko kung na-save ba siya sa G Drive ko or hindi. And then i-edit ko siya and then i-post ko. Kapag hindi ako tinamad, tsaka kung kompleto pa yung mga clips. So now, kakain muna ako guys. Kumuha yung mama ko ng spring roll. Para siyang spring roll na para din siyang lumpiang Shanghai na hindi. Ewan ko kung basta nag-experiment na naman yung nanay ko. So guys, tapos na ako kumain. So, unboxing time na tayo. Ano din? Okay. Taray ah. Fairness. Ito siya, oh. Charan! So, ito siya. It's a tempered glass para sa aking tablet. So, ang unit ng tablet ko is Oppo Pad Air. So, as you can see, may mga lobo-lobo yung screen protector ko. And it's matte. So, una gusto ko ng matte or yung paper-like finish. Kasi gusto ko nga, yung paper-like finish nga siya. So, nung nagpalit na ako, parang hindi naman nagbago. Parehas pa rin naman siya. Dati kasi ang screen protector nito is tempered glass lang din. So, parang hindi naman siya nagbago. Ganun pa rin naman. So, ang pangit lang din dito is yung sa pen ko. Kasi guys can see, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo ba or no. Mag-focus ko sa pen ko. And, Basta anyway, sa pen ko, yung tip niya is napupudpud. So, need ko pa bumili ng bagong tawag ito, tip. So, bumili ako, ano siya, 5 pieces. And then, lahat sila pudpud na. So, ayun lang din ang pangit kapag paper-like or matte finish yung protector mo. Kasi, napupudpud talaga yung tip ng pen mo. So, ngayon, need ko pa ulit bumili ng bagong tip. Pero, di mo na ngayon kasi. Ayun na. Naghihirap tayo. But, yeah. So, bumili ako ng tempered glass kasi papalitan ko na. So, ito yung binili ko. And then, also, bumili din ako ng case. Bagong case din ng tablet ko. Kasi, ang tagal na nito. Itong case na to is like 4 years na sa akin to. And then, hindi na siya nag-hold kapag nakatayo yung yung tablet ko ng ganyan. Hindi na siya nag-hold ng matagal. Nalalaglag na siya. So, time na siya palitan. Kaya bumili ako. Siguro isasabay ko ng ikabit itong tempered glass ko once na dumating na yung case, bagong case ng tablet ko. So, yeah. Ngayon is tinatawad pa ako mag-aral. But, mag-i-start din ako mag-aral. Siguro tatapusin ko lang yung pinapanood ko, which is Going 17. Hindi ko din kasi panood yung latest episode kahapon. Ngayon kasi is Thursday. Every Wednesday nag-release ng Going 17. So, panoorin ko yung released kahapon. And then, after nun, siguro mag-aaral na ako. So, now I'm currently studying Introduction to Critical Care Nursing and Ethical and Legal Consideration in Critical Care Nursing. So, we have a quiz for this subject next week. I was not able to attend our first online class in this subject, so I have to study ahead of time. And then, sabi ng prof namin that our quiz contains like 90% identification. These are the all cause of all disturbances inside our house. These dogs, especially this dog, he is so loud. Hi. So, probably tomorrow or later, kung ganahan man ako, is mag-ano ako ng Anki sa critical. But, I also wanna start studying for RCA 1 because isa siya sa mga sobrang delikad sa ko. If you guys don't know what CA is, it's like a subject na pinaghalo-halo na lahat ng subject niya from first year to 3rd year. And para siyang review na din for boards. So, I have to study for that kasi meron kaming diagnostic quiz for that. But, hindi naman siya recorded. Yeah, hindi siya recorded. But still, I want to, go ahead and make advanced study because alam ko sa sarili ko na mahihirapan ako if I procrastinate. So, much better na din na mag-aral na ako ngayon. So, magdadalawang isip pa akong magluluto ba ako hindi. Kasi gusto ko na din mag-lose ng weight kasi pataba na ako ng pataba. Grabe. Gusto ko pa naman mapayat ako kapag nag-take na kami ng grad pic. Yun guys, in the end, nagluto pa rin siya. Sobrang sakit kasi ng tagiliran ko. Promise, di ko na talaga pag nagugutom ako tapos di ko siya kinakain. Grabe yung sakit ng tagiliran ko. So, need ko siya ikain talaga kahit ayaw ko. Wala na akong choice. But ayun, kakain na muna ako. Then, mag-aaral tayo ulit. Yeah, as you can see on my face, I literally just woke up. But my long-awaited parcel just arrived. Unbox or open my parcel. Ah! Thank you guys. They gave me a free sticker, which is very cute. It's Melody. So I just got home from doing my chores. As you can see earlier is nagmotor ako. Galing ako sa palengke. Kasi natusan ako ng mom ko. Pumili ng mga gamit namin dito sa bahay. I want to show you guys that I modified my tablet. Yeah, I changed my lock screen and then the setup of my home screen. Here you can see, and I also added some stickers. These stickers, I got them from when I buy photo cards. I got them as freebies. And then this one is Kojo Satoru from Jujutsu Kaisen. My older sister gave it to me, and I put a strip of picture of me and my boyfriend. Here is my lock screen. So this is my schedule. I set it as my lock screen, and now this is what my home screen looks like. I put all of my entertainments here. I'm about to put all of my socials, but it's not enough. I only have 5 applications of socials here, so I put all of my entertainments down here. And then I have a folder here for all of my socials, apps and games, for school, and also Google. So that's it. And then of course control centers are pink.